Beautiful Brothers, and today we are here in Cambridge. We're walking to this place called St Ives in Cambridge, and on the way we've got this app called Merlin, and it can, it hears the birds. It hears the birds, and then from the sound the birds make, it identifies the bird. So it has a good guess at it. So I've got a great spotted woodpecker, a European robin. What do you have, Theo?
Chiffchaff, blackbird.
So we got a few birds, and the other day I actually got a rare. So there's common, uncommon and rare birds. So that's it for now. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.